Good morning, everyone. It's a very lovely day, and I would like to make caramelized onion chutney today. I'll be using this freshly washed white onions, but if you guys want to use the red onions, not a problem. And I would appreciate if you guys let me know how it goes through the comments below. And speaking of that, please, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. And also, if you guys like the recipe that I'll be cooking today, please click the like button, thumbs up. And I'll be using about a couple of kilos of this onions, and also a cup of brown sugar and a couple of teaspoons of olive oil, a cup of balsamic vinegar, and also a cup of red wine vinegar. Optional if you guys want some spices to put in, not a problem. Also, please include a couple of bay leaves. Okay, so first up would be slicing the onions. If you guys have food processor, feel free to use that. Otherwise, just plain knife will do. Okay, I'll start slicing. Okay, so I have completed the slicing of the onions. Now I'm going to put some olive oil in the frying pan together with the onions, and I'll put it in low heat. So we'll just stir and caramelize. So after a few minutes, noticeably the onions will be softened. You can add a bit of seasoning, salt, pepper, or chili to taste. And once the onions are softened, then we'll add a cup of sugar and also a cup of the balsamic vinegar, and also a cup of the red wine vinegar, and then add in the bay leaves as well. And then we'll just let it simmer on low heat this time. Low heat so that we avoid settling and the sugar getting burnt. Okay. So on low heat, while we're waiting for this to get done, the jar that you guys are going to store this on need to be sterilized, and this will keep for about 3 to 4 months, and it's very good with cheese board and also biscuits. And I would store this for a couple of weeks before trying it, to let the flavors really sink in. Alright, so we'll just stir this from time to time, and we'll wait until the sauce is thick, and it may take some time, but I already tried it. It's nice. So we'll just thicken it a bit more and keep it in low heat. I'm using a non-stick pan, so it won't stick in the bottom, but guys need to be aware that we need to keep this in low heat so that it doesn't burn. Alright, so this is our caramelized onion chutney now, and I'm going to put it in a jar. It's been over an hour in low heat, so this is done. Alright, so we now have our caramelized onion chutney, and hope you guys like the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.